Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making another origami video. It's gonna be to make this little cute house, and it's kind of cool. And I may set up an origami channel because I just like making origami. And so let's just get right onto it. So what you're gonna need is a piece of paper like this, and so you're gonna with the white side you're gonna fold it like that. Make sure it is really even. So you just crease it from the white side all the way to the other side, and it should look like this once you're finished. Then you're gonna fold it again. So you're gonna fold it. You can take one side, this side, this side. Doesn't matter, but you're gonna fold it. Just fold it like that. You should have this. Then you're gonna just open that this first last fold. So you should have this, and you should see a crease right in the middle right there. So what you're going to do with that crease is you're going to take each end and you're going to fold it like this into the crease. So it should look like that one, and then you do the next one. You fold the next one in. Make sure, just a tip, to make sure they are not overlapping. If they overlap, it's not gonna turn out well. Once you've done that, it should look like this, really cool. And then you could take one of them, don't open it, but just take one of them, and you see this little crease right here. You're gonna put your finger in it and open it. Once you've got it open to like a little house shape, press it down. And then you're gonna do the same thing for the other one. Make sure that everything is even and straight, because if it's not, then your house will be overlapping with the one. So now we're going to do the next one. You do the same process. Open it up. Once you've got this, press it. So that basically is your house. And I love making these houses because they're actually, they look hard, but they're actually really easy to make. And so this is what you should end up having. And you could also make a piano out of one of these, but I will show you that in my next one. So bye. Hope you enjoyed.